Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Blvd piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
All right.
No, wait, sorry. And now ready.
Alrighty now! I'm Graham, expert plumber with Urban Piping. So, last question on my list of copper. How long does it take to replace a house that has copper piping? So, hoping that we're changing out the copper with a PEX piping system, between prep and cutting all the holes, we're probably looking between 72 and 84 hours that we would take to replace a typical two-story home with copper piping to PEX piping. That includes 3.5 bathrooms and 2 outside faucets. If you have any extra questions about copper piping or just piping in general, drop us a comment below. I'll be more than happy to add this on to our roster of weekly videos. If you need a plumber, call Urban Piping. That's who I recommend, but hey, that's just me.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Blvd. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.